We are live now. Shisha, start. You are live.
A very good afternoon to everyone. We at Ace Micromatic Group, India's largest machine tool conglomerate, welcome you all to the launch of Micromatic 360, a new era in machine servicing. This digital launch is symbolic of many things, but mainly that no matter what may come, we will keep moving towards the direction of progress. Before we begin, please note that questions regarding the webinar can be posted in the chat box and will be answered towards the end of the program. Also, request you all to please complete the survey at the end of this program so that we can help serve you better. As for today's agenda, uh, we uh, we first have an introduction that will be delivered by the leaders of Micromatic, the official launch of Micromatic 360, details about all the exciting offers in store for our customers throughout Micromatic 360, and finally, the question and answer session. We have three leaders who will be speaking today. Firstly, we have Mr. T.K. Ramesh, Managing Director of Micromatic Machine Tools, a reliable leader who has spent more than 20 years elevating Micromatic and a total of 40 plus years in the machine tool industry. Next, we have Mr. Harish B, who has served as a successful operations head for Micromatic and now taking on the role of CEO to support the growth of Micromatic. Here to talk about the mission of MMT. Finally, let's welcome Mr. R. Narendra, National Head, Micromatic 360, who has spearheaded the revolutionary approach to machine tool servicing and the birth of Micromatic 360. With close to 30 years in customer servicing at Micromatic, he is here to address the audience about the exciting new services in store for our valued customer. This was really, we hope to start the presentation now. I request Mr. TK Ramesh to kindly address the gathering.
Thank you, Srisha. Once again, good afternoon. This is indeed a very proud moment personally for me, and I have great pleasure to be with all of you this day and extend a very, very warm welcome to each and every one of you here today. I will be very brief, and what I'd like to do is to take all of you down memory lane and re-emphasize some of our own thoughts in the leadership about how we got here, and importantly, thank every one of you for being a part of our journey and supporting us and egging us along, pushing us to keep striving to do better and better so that collectively all of us could deliver value to one another and thereby value to our end customer and to the nation. Thinking back, if I was to look at a couple of things that has stood us in great stead and brought us to this position where we are, the ACE Micromatic Group, perhaps there would be two things. One, the ability to convert design concepts into working products. Yes, all our designs that we made, what we learned, what we looked at other machines, and we were able to convert them into working products. Those are the machines that are with you, that are over several tens of thousands. And the most important part was products were converted to suit and excel in Indian conditions and also to suit the Indian pocket. So cost effectiveness was something that came to us naturally because we were from this ecosystem and we knew how difficult capital is in India. The next important aspect was it was not just the products or the machines that we could convert from design to working products, but an important fact that we need to handhold and support the users of these machines. While we had the wherewithal and the technical ability to convert and make machines, you, our customers, were the ones who were actually using them, and you knew how to use these machines and how to extract every bit from these machines so that you could get the best on-field performance and keep developing on the machines with added features and requirements that were needed. And in order to do this, it was very, very important that we build right from the starting days a connect, which is a set of people on the field, on the ground, who are close to you and who can work with you. So coming back, it was a principle of focus. A team of people with the required competency and focus and expertise who could do one thing at a time. And that was how the whole group shaped up into a vertical of turning, a vertical of grinding, a vertical of milling, and over a period of time, much before what is spoken of as Industry 4.0, we also created a vertical of Industry 4.0, and going ahead, we are also working with the other new technologies like 3D printing, etc., that are coming along so that we learn and we could help support, handhold, and convey all of our learnings to you, our customers, because one fundamental issue that we understand is as capital equipment manufacturers, we can grow as long as our customers grow. Another very important point that I think was the aspect of thinking global and working local. That is why you will see over 50 locations close to you, and the learnings that we had through international exhibitions, looking at foreign machines, and our own exports taught us to ensure that the machines got updated with the latest features and the performance parameters so that we could give you, for Indian conditions, the best that we could get from the world. Ethics and values are extremely another very, very important aspect that we have held very, very close to our hearts. Now, they are about doing things in the right way with the best practices and in an absolute ethical manner, combined with warmth, friendliness, so that there is a strong, cohesive feeling of togetherness, because we are a team, our customers and us. And like I already mentioned, if we have to grow and give you more machines, the only way that is possible is to ensure that you, our customers, are continuously growing. And for you to grow, it's not just machines, but how to use the machines, how to set the machines, how to keep the machines working, how to maintain the machines. So training, spare parts, development are all the other aspects of the ecosystem that we put together, and we truly created a methodology and a momentum much before it was management jargon of, moving from product quality to customer support to customer care and customer delight. And now we are getting closer and closer to what is now being spoken of as customer experience. So what we are trying to do today, the Micromatic 360, is going to be all about, again, the same old points of a set of people focused on extremely good customer experience. Finally, to close, my colleagues Harish and Narendra would be taking you through all the specifics and the details of this new initiative. I'd like to conclude by thanking you again, looking forward to your support, and assuring you that, as always, we will continue to put our best foot forward and work with you in an ever more close way that we have been doing. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy Micromatic 360. Thank you. Harish, you could take over, please.
Thank you, Ramesh. Can I have the next slide, please? Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. On behalf of ACE Micromatic Group and on my own personal behalf, I'd like to extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you for the virtual launch of our new initiative, Micromatic 360. We sincerely appreciate that you have taken the time to join and encourage us by your participation. I am delighted to note that right now we have 642 participants who have joined us for this live event. Thank you, one and all. Most of you would be curious to know what Micromatic 360 is all about. But before I let you know that, let me give you some broad insights about ACE Micromatic Group, which we strongly believe is your one-stop shop for all you need in machining. ACE Micromatic, can I have the next slide, please? ACE Micromatic is a global machine tool group, and we are currently in the 57th position in the global world ranking of machine tools, which is published by Gartner. Today, we have several startups in India. Gentlemen, I'd like to remind you that the ACE Micromatic Group is the startup company of the 1970s. This company started in a car garage with a loan of just 25,000 rupees, and today the group turnover has exceeded 2,500 crores in just 40 years. The company was originally started with a desire to deliver machine tool designs, but over time the company graduated to make copy turning machines and then progressed to CNC machines. Since we started with humble beginnings, our first several hundred customers were from the small scale sector and the tiny sector. Hence, we better understand the needs of MSME. All the more important, we learned the importance of delivering excellent and prompt service to the MSME sector. Over the last 3 decades, we have gradually graduated to meet the exacting needs of corporates also. We are proud to inform that our ACE Micromatic Group, with completely indigenous technology and no foreign collaboration, is today the largest machine tool group in India. We have supplied over 60,000 CNC machines which are working in India and abroad. The group consists of 5 machine tool companies largely, each of which is focused on their individual core competencies. ACE Designers is the flagship company which manufactures CNC lathes, VTLs and turn mill centers. They are the largest manufacturer of CNC lathes in India and have a market share of 35%. ACE Manufacturing Systems, fondly called as AMS, focuses exclusively on manufacture of machining centers in vertical and horizontal configurations. Like ACE Designers, AMS is also the largest manufacturer of machining centers in India with a market share of 20%. The third company in the group, Micromatic Grinding Technologies, is the pioneer in CNC grinding and have a phenomenal market share of 48%. They have delivered import substitute grinding solutions for the last 3 decades. Moving on to Pragati Automation. Pragati Automation manufactures tool turrets and tool changers which are extensively used on all CNC machines. We are delighted to inform that 50% of the total production of Pragati is exported to leading machine tool companies in Europe and Asia. Also, you will find Pragati tool changers and turrets in almost every CNC lathe and machining center manufactured in India by competing machine tool builders. Further, to complement our range of solutions, we acquired Taurus, a company which was well known for design and manufacture of SPMs. We also recently forayed into additive solutions by starting a new company called Amaze. This company delivers solutions for 3D printing. Our group company, ACE Micromatic Manufacturing Intelligence Technologies, also called as AMIT, is the pioneer in Industry 4.0 and enables the shop floor to connect seamlessly with the top floor. Last but not the least, Micromatic Machine Tools, the company to which I belong, is well known to all customers simply as MMT. We are the customer-facing arm of the ACE Micromatic Group. We are present in more than 60 locations across the length and breadth of India. We also have wholly owned subsidiaries in Germany and China. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pride and happiness to inform that we have 1,572 CNC lathes and machining centers, which we have supplied to China and which are working for several Chinese companies. One of the questions that have been posed in the Q&A section by one of the participants is, why should I choose ACE Micromatic Group? Well, let me try to answer by presenting some facts and figures. Can I have the next slide, please? Yeah, thank you. We have over 40 years of machine tool manufacturing experience, 20 lakh square feet of manufacturing area. We have supplied more than 60,000 CNC machines. We are present in 60 locations across the length and breadth of India. We have over 300 models of machines. We are connected across the length and breadth of India. All 60 plus Micromatic locations plus the factories are connected seamlessly using our CRM software. Further, like any global machine tool manufacturer, we have global infrastructure. We have world-class mother machines. Casting is completely done in-house. We have in-house fabrication shops, painting shops. Complete design and manufacturing is done either in-house or through dedicated vendors. Can I have the next slide, please? We are well known for our customer-centric approach, reliable machines, and legendary service quality and service delivery. Gentlemen and ladies, we respond to 86% of all service calls within 4 hours. And 82% of these calls are resolved completely within 8 hours. Our average mean time between failures for warranty machines is 285 days. Honestly, I cannot think of any other Indian machine tool company which can boast of these facts and figures, including MTTR and MTBF. And this is thanks to the great service team that we have in Micromatic. Over the last 10 years, we have focused on offering complete, total solutions to customers. Can I have the next slide, please? Ladies and gentlemen, all of us are aware of the great customer experience that we get when we enter a large shopping mall. Wonderful ambience, nice shops, shopping, movies, food. It's a great customer experience, and that's why we go back every now and then. At ACE Micromatic, we have strived to create a similar customer experience. We have strived to create an ecosystem which delivers complete and total solutions to our customers. Over the last 2 decades, we have expanded our offerings from just plain vanilla CNC machines to include tooled up machines, application support, technology centers, pre and post order trials. Next slide, please. During the last 5 years, we expanded our offerings to include CNC training, stabilizers, coolants, hydraulic oils, tool holders, programming software, and financial assistance through our NBFC partners. We are also happy to inform that we pioneered a CSR activity to convert non-technical people, 10 standard, 11 standard, failed or passed students, boys and girls. We converted them into CNC operators. Through this, we are happy to inform that we have transformed the lives of more than 4,500 non-technical people by providing them gainful employment. During the last 2 years, we put on our thinking caps and wondered, have we done enough? We brainstormed to understand your hidden and unfulfilled needs. We debated within ourselves, how can we touch the life of our customer during every stage of the machine product life cycle? How can we make the lives of our customers better, easier, more comfortable? Last, we questioned, how can we increase the resale value of our CNC machines? Ladies and gentlemen, for answers to these questions, let me hand over the stage to my colleague, Mr. Narendra. Narendra, over to you, please.
Sir Narendra, you are muted. Unmute yourself, please.
Thank you, Harish. Good afternoon. I take this opportunity to welcome all of you for this virtual launch of Micromatic 360. We are indeed honored by the substantial number of customers who have joined for this live event. Would like to make a detailed presentation of Micromatic 360. Let me first start by thanking you for purchasing and using our wide range of CNC machines and also availing our wide range of services. We are delighted to retain this professional relationship with our esteemed customer for the last 4 decades. We wish to meet all of your requirements during the entire product life cycle, from the time that you purchase the machine till you decide finally to sell or scrap the same. Welcome to Micromatic 360, your one-stop shop for all your service needs. So let us get into know what is Micromatic 360. Micromatic 360 aims to offer best-in-class end-to-end services to meet all the service requirements of life cycle services of your CNC machines. What is the reason behind the same and revamp, which as Mr. Harish said, Micromatic 360 combines the legendary service from Micromatic with a 360 approach to meet all servicing needs. We aim to deliver this with a dedicated team of experienced engineers having decades of machine tool experience. Our committed team, with a total focus on delivering quality services, will ensure that customer requirements are met in time and every time. Let us look into the why part of Micromatic 360. Micromatic 360, being a one-point contact for all your service requirements, will ensure that there is no uncertainty in your service needs. Our aim is to ensure continued productivity, reliability through quality and timely delivery of spare parts and services. Through Micromatic 360, we aim to enhance the life cycle of your CNC machines and reduce your worries and uncertainty in dealing with multiple suppliers for your machine tool needs. Now, let us go through a quick video on Micromatic 360. Please, can we play the video?
We find this Micromatic machine is extremely good.
Accuracy wise is a very excellent machine. One of the main reasons to buy Ace machine was servicing.
The service center is locally stationed The service support what we get from ACE Micromatic, it is excellent.
The spare part availability is also very good.
My association with ACE Micromatic goes long now, 55 years back. Now I am having 17 machines of ACE Micromatic.
And we find ACE has been a very good partner for us in our growth. We have grown this far because of the relentless support given by ACE Micromatic.
Now I request all of you to join me for the formal launch of Micromatic 360. Can we go to launching slide, please? As we have launched Micromatic 360 formally, let me take you through details of Micromatic 360 offerings. Can we just move on to the next slide, please? So when you look at a supermarket concept of a mall or a shopping complex, we always go and buy things, but we wanted to look at getting into the same concept and where in which we come and deliver things to you. That is the objective what we are trying to look at it by this life cycle services. So our offerings consisting of all these things: AMC maintenance contracts, product kits and space, machine calibration and alignments, upgradations and additional features, machine reconditioning and retrofitment, automation, Micromatic 360 value-added services.